Hey guys, welcome back to Click, and today we're doing an unboxing and review of the FlexGuard case from Patchworks. Okay, big shout out to Patchworks. You'll see all of the cases for the iPhone X provided on this channel are by Patchworks. It's great to be working with a company like Patchworks. They make awesome cases and excellent screen protectors, as you will see on my phone throughout the whole process. Over the next few weeks, there'll be a bunch of case videos coming out from Patchworks, as well as a screen protector video. Awesome products. So let's get into the first one and see what's what. The link will be in the description down below for those of you who are looking to pick one up. So, Patchworks branding on the top. This is the actual case inside. Certified drop protection, 810G stamp right here. This is the FlexGuard case. On the back here, we've got some information regarding the case itself. Soft and ultra light. Okay, you've got certified drop protection, quality materials, designed in California. This is a dual layer case, and it's a slim design, and it's super light. Let's get into it. Okay, super easy to get into the box. And let's see what else we get here. So, a big thank you from Patchworks. Okay, and you get 20% off. Share your experience. That's good to know. And Patchworks sticker. Okay guys, let's set that off to the side. Now this is the case itself, and let's drop this off to the back here. Okay guys, so soft TPU. Let's get this onto the phone itself and see what's what. Now, okay, so before I do that, in here you're gonna see a little yellow nubs. Okay, these help with drop protection and absorption while the phone is in the case, all the while we're keeping your overall slimness of the case to a minimum. Okay, now there it is on the phone itself. Looks really nice, guys. The in-hand feel here, this is crazy. This case is crazy. I love it. Okay, let's see what's what. Okay, we got a good lay on table here. Okay, on this side we've got Patchworks branding, and I'll flip that over for you. We've got the volume up and down, and the good size opening for your mute and vibrate switch. Nothing on the top. On this side here we've got your power button, and on the bottom a cutout for your speaker, your charging port, as well as your mic. Now on the back you've got the Patchworks logo. Okay, you've got little nubs for when you set this case down, so that you don't scratch up the back of your phone itself or the phone case. You've got a nice raised lip around the camera, and I'll bring that in for you guys to see. Okay, all in all, the variance in textures here really adds to the in-hand feel. You've got a textured side, you've got a little shiny bezel around the edges here, and then a spotted or a little ribbed back. Okay, so while you're holding this in hand, it feels really good. It doesn't add too much bulk to the phone itself, so all in all keeps the overall form factor, and you get the 810G drop protection. Alright guys, we definitely recommend this case. Feels great, easy to get on and off, and not too expensive. Link will be in the description. Big shout out to Patchworks for providing the case. Thanks for watching. I'm out.